Welcome to the NovaCore NovaCloud tutorial. In this video, we will be showing you how to report out of the system. Reporting in NovaCore is very easy. All you simply have to do is select the framework you want to report from. Now this is the same in the document management system or any regulatory framework that you have installed or created. For this example, we're going to use the SRTO 2015 framework. Under the Reports tab, the first one we're going to look at is the Summary Pack. What the Summary Pack does is essentially breaks down your entire traffic light system. It follows the same rules as the traffic light system as well. So basically, by clicking the Reports tab and Summary Pack, it will generate a report that will follow all the rules as mentioned. If there is a standard that has 11 issues that are major and in red, those issues will show up in red just like in standard 5.1. There is a total number of documents, which is 13, and it will actually show you the list of all the documents, which ones are ticked as compliant, and also the status of them as well. This is a document that also has a status key below it, so you know exactly what each status means. It's a 70-page document and can be customized with your company colors and also your company name and logo. And as you can see in this report, it does cover every single standard in the SRTO. This report will come out the same in any framework, but obviously it will have the regulatory standards, guidelines or clauses for whichever framework you have chosen. You can print this out as a hard copy and you can save it as a PDF so you can have a digital copy to distribute as well. The Summary Pack comes in very handy during audit time. You also have the Document Register under the Reports tab. The Document Register is very handy with finding out exactly what's going on with your documents. When you click the Document Register button under the Reports tab, you will see a little pop-up, and these are your report options. You can filter by the document status. You can also filter by classification. You can also choose to include revision history and notes as well. The good thing about this is you can leave these unticked and not actually tick any classifications, but only, let's say, history and notes, and it will actually give you a rundown of everything that is in the SRTO framework. Now, obviously, the document register is different for each framework because each framework, it will show those particular documents for that framework. If we click the View button, you'll now see that it breaks down all of our documents by not only the latest version, but all their previous versions. And as we can see with our continuous improvement policy here, it also has any revision notes in a blue box. So this is a detailed audit trail or continuous improvement type document that can show exactly what has been changed with all of the documents within your compliance system. These reporting options are also available in the document management system, but it is labeled slightly different. This includes the DMS register. Now, while it's the same as the document register, it actually allows you to report on a library level folder and all the folders contained therein. So if we chose the archive folder and chose the DMS register, you'll see we get the same report options pop up, and we can choose to include revision history and notes as well. And it not only shows us everything within the archive folder, but any subfolder contained within that archive folder as well, including revision history and any notes attached to it. Visit novacore.com.au or head to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/NovaCore Systems for more helpful tutorial videos.